This is another exclusive Landers McLarty Subaru how-to tips and tricks video with our Love Encore specialist, Noah DeBeese.
Hey guys, Noah DeBeese here with another exclusive Landers McLarty Subaru tip. Today we're going to be using our beautiful 2024 Outback Touring XT. Picture this, your hands are full, kids are running everywhere, and you need quick access to the cargo area. It's as easy as 3 simple steps. First, we want to make sure that our hands-free power liftgate button has been turned into the on position. Step 2, approach your star logo on the rear deck lid of your Outback, placing your hand, elbow, or wrist, or any other body part approximately 1 to 3 inches from the logo. Make sure you listen for the tone as it indicates that you have completed the process. Step 3, take a step away from your Outback and watch as it magically opens in front of your eyes, giving you access to your cargo area. Hey guys, and it really is that easy. This has been another Landers McLarty Subaru exclusive tips and trick video with me, Noah DeBeese. For any future content, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, at Landers McLarty Subaru, we're more than just a car company.